Hello everyone. So welcome to the next video in the Java series. So in this video we'll see how to install Java and the Java editor in which we'll be writing our code and executing the code. So first of all we have to download Java for our Windows or Mac or any other operating system whichever you are using. So just go to Google and type Java download. Open the first link which appears. In this you will get different installers for your operating systems. So if you have a Windows operating system, you will download the installer from this part. If you have a Mac, you will download it from this section. If you have Linux or Solaris, you will download from these sections. Since I have Windows, I'll download from the Windows section, and since my OS is a 64-bit operating system, I'll download this one. So once you click on this, your Java installer file will get downloaded. Now let's see how to download the Java editor. So for that you will have to search Eclipse IDE download and open the first link which appears. Once you open the first link, you will have the download option for the latest version of Eclipse. So just click on that and your Eclipse IDE installer will get downloaded. Now once those two are downloaded, first you have to install your Java. So once Java is installed, you will get a success message here like this on this pop-up. So you just have to click on close. Now you have to set up environment variables. So why we need to set up environment variables? So let's run command prompt. So just type a CMD in your run, and in order to open that you just have to do Windows plus R and type CMD and click on enter. So this is your command prompt. So here you just have to type in Java C. So here it says Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. So basically this denotes that Java is still not configured in your operating system. It is installed but not configured. In order to configure Java in your operating system so that you can run your Java codes, you have to add and modify your environment variables. So let's open that. So for that you have to go to system settings and then view advanced system settings. You can go to this from your control panel as well, but I just directly searched it and opened it. So in this advanced system properties, you can see here environment variables is there. Just open it. Now here you can see we have two sections. One is user variable for whichever user profile you are logged in with, and system variables. Now what we have to do is we have to add a variable. For that we have to click on new, and your variable name will be Java home. So in Java home your variable value will be, just do browse file, go to your C drive, then program files, Java, and just copy this path. Go inside the installation folder and just copy this path. Click on OK. So Java home is added. Now the second thing which you have to do is in the system variables you have to go to variable path and click on edit. So here what you have to do is you have to click on new, go to this installation folder and open the bin folder. Now just copy this path of the bin folder and paste it in your new variable value. Paste it as your new variable value and then click on OK. Once both are done, click on OK and OK here. So once both are done, we'll again launch our command prompt and type java space -version. So this confirms that our Java is configured in our operating system. Now let's install Eclipse. Let's go to downloads again and click on this Eclipse installer. Once you click on this Eclipse installer, the installation wizard will give you multiple options as to what kind of work you want to do in Eclipse. Since we'll be covering Java, I am selecting Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And once that is done, you can select your own installation folder and then just click on install. Accept now. So your Eclipse editor has been installed, and once it is installed, you will get this window here. So you just have to click on launch and your Eclipse IDE will launch on its own for the first time. Okay, now you have to select the destination of your workspace. Workspace is basically where you will be writing your code and maybe creating projects. So I'm just going with the default workspace which Eclipse is providing me. I'll just click on launch. So your Eclipse IDE has launched. So this was all for this video. In my next video, we'll see how we'll start writing our first code.